How to secure your Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up on methods on how we can make your Twitter account more secure, so make sure to watch this video till the end. But before watching, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, launch your Twitter app and make sure you're logged in. Just open up your Twitter app, and here I want you to go to your profile. For that, you just need to tap on the left side of the screen and you'll be able to see your profile. And here you should be able to see the option called settings and support. Just tap on that option and tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on it, you should be able to see this kind of interface. So what I wanted to do is just tap on security and account access. You can see this option here and tap on the very first option that says security. So here you'll get a bunch of security options like two-factor authentication, ID verification, and additional password protection. So I want you to tap on this two-factor authentication. You may just tap on this learn more, and you may just turn on these options in order to make your account more secure, like receiving text message before logging into the account, into your phone number, using an authentication app, or using a security key. Or you may get back and you can also see this ID verification section where you can just tap on this option, and this is one of the premium feature that you can use in order to make your account more secure. So in order to do that, you just need to subscribe to premium and you can verify your ID in order to access your Twitter account. And just like that, you may also add additional password protection like passkey and password reset protection. Just use these methods and you can easily make your account more secure. So just like that, you can secure your Twitter account by following these steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.